Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh. Perkenalkan, nama saya Surya Dharma. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh. Perkenalkan, nama saya Surya Dharma. Saya adalah mahasiswa PPG dalam jabatan di tahun 2023 dengan nomor NIM 23011410030 dan hari ini saya akan mengajar di sekolah saya sebagai bentuk dari uji kinerja saya mengajar. Bagaimana saya mengajar hari ini? Kita lihat bersama-sama. Okay, good morning all. How are you today? Before starting our lesson today, I want to check your name one by one. Who is absent today? Kenzie. And then? Only Kenzie? Okay, I want to check Brandon, Alea, Azahra, Ola, Talita, Rafa, Raffi, Milan, Glenn, Izat, Fadlan. Rafa, how are you today? What is your condition today? Who feels unhealthy today? Okay. Our lesson today by praying. Who wants to pray? Glenn? Okay, please stand up. We want to sing this song to build our nationality awareness for us. Let's sing together. Dari Sabang sampai Merauke, berjejar pulau-pulau, sambung menyambung menjadi satu, itulah Indonesia. Indonesia tanah airku, aku berjanji padamu, menjunjung tanah airku Indonesia. And now, I want to show you this. This is our objective for our learning today. I want to say this. Jadi hari ini kita akan belajar tentang mampu mengidentifikasi fungsi sosial, struktur teks, dan unsur kebahasaan dari sebuah lagu. Jadi hari ini kita memang mau mengeksplor tentang lagu yang ada hubungannya dengan bisa tentang persahabatan, tentang kepedulian terhadap orang lain. Kemudian yang kedua, kita juga diminta untuk bisa memahami sebenarnya apa sih makna yang ada di dalam sebuah lagu itu. Jadi kita akan belajar tentang itu. Kita mau belajar tentang itu. Gimana sih seorang penulis lagu itu bisa memahami keinginan orang bisa tertarik dengan lagu itu, dan ada pesan yang dibawakan oleh si penulis lagu itu. Saya juga akan sampaikan kepada kalian aktivitas kita hari ini. Sebenarnya we have a assessment rubrics to show that how understand you with our lesson today. This is our criteria before. Question about these rubrics, Alia? No, do you understand it? Okay. Ola, do you understand it? Okay. Before we start, we have to play a game first. Look at the whiteboard. At the back of you, I have a games. This is really viral in TikTok. Have you ever seen this? Ada yang pernah lihat permainan ini? Okay. Before we start, I want to choose five of you to be the volunteer to play games with us. This is need a concentration. You need a focus before we start our lesson today. Who wants to be the volunteer to play this game? Who wants to be the volunteer to try this game? Need a concentration, need a focus. Now, we want to start. I choose maybe 3 persons and then you line up in here and we try to be the first. Brandon and Zira first. Line up there. Right. Okay, we want to try. Okay. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, go. Okay. Okay. Doing this activity, what kinds of learner outcomes did you learn for this game? Brandon? Expert thinking, adaptability and agility. Before starting again, what is our previous lesson, Brandon? We're talking about what? Explore about an objects. What is that? Priya? Description. What kinds of things that you can describe? What kinds of things that you can describe? Person? Can. Animals? And place? Like a building. We already learned about that. But now, I want to show you. Who knows this group? These boys. Who knows? Who knows? No? What about this? Oh. Raise up your hand. Alia? Do you know this? No. Alia? Okay. What about this? Oh. Brandon. Glenn. Bruno Mars. Singer? Yeah. What about this? Siapa yang ingat ini? Siapa? Nggak ada? Oke. Kita lihat. Yeah. I already asked you, what do you think about this picture? Have you ever seen them before? Some of you recognize Bruno Mars. Glenn, what is the title of the song that you still remember? What Bruno Mars? Okay, nice. What is the title of the songs? Brandon?
Lazy Song.
Lazy Song. This is. And then, pay attention to this song first. But you have to pay attention to the lyrics, what the songwriter wants to tell us about this. You know this. Whoever listened this song before? So, after watching the video, you have to know that the benefits of this lesson is talking about by analyzing some lyrics, you can improve your understanding of language, vocabulary, the sentence structure, which helps you sharpen your reading skills and comprehend text. And then by understand this lesson, you will learning song lyric involve listening carefully, which can improve your listening skills and help you understand different accent, intonation, expression of the language. So, before we start, any question? This is our big question. This is our big question that we have to answer by our activities today. This is our big question. What we must do for today's lesson? We want to answer by analyzing lyrics. You can improve your understanding of the language, vocabulary, and sentence structure. And then to improve your listening skills. Is it true? We want to do now. Group project. Now I want to divide you into 4 groups. I give you 2 minutes to start to sit beside your groups still in our meeting center. I will count 1, 2, and 3. Move. Who wants to move? Who wants to stay in their chair? Who wants to move? Who wants to just stay in your chair? Question you have to answer this. Yeah. What social message does the songwriter want to convey to the audience? Jadi sebenarnya penulis lagu itu ingin menyampaikan pesan apa sih dalam lagu itu? Kita harus jawab dengan aktivitas kita hari ini. Kemudian apa sih kata-kata yang spesifik yang mewakili yang dapat mempengaruhi perasaan dan emosi dari si pendengar lagu yang ditulis oleh the songwriter wants to convey. Now, we want to do this. This is about what must we do. This is about our worksheet today. This is the kinds of our recording sheet. This is the flow, the category, the song title, what is the information you have to get, and then what is the songwriter you have to answer. Find 2 or 3 keywords that have an emotional effect. You have to write them in here, and then relationship. 2, and then group 3, go to table 3 there. Group 4, go to table 4. I have provided to you the resources. You have to read. We have to reading rotation. I will give you 2 minutes till 2 or 3 minutes. Read the article, and then you have to move. Group 1, go to group 2. Group 2 to go to group 3. Group 3, go to group 4. 4, go to 1. We have to take turn until finish, until back to your home base. Until back to your home base. I will count. 1, 2, 3, go. Read now. I give you, after reading, group 3 go to group 4. Group 4 go to group 1. Let's finish it. Move. Okay, now you have to back to your table, at your first table. Now, I will give you this form, and then please discuss with your friends what kind of songs. After reading rotation, you have to choose and explore what is the meaning of the song, what is the message of the song by using this um, recording sheet. I will give it to you. This. 15 minutes. I give you 15 minutes to explore and discuss with your friends and choose the song. Yeah? And choose the song. Who wants marker? You may choose that marker. Okay. Oh, Fadlan.
Weekend kita bisa ambil lagu dari yang label lain kan?
Okay, you may choose from the other table. After reading the resources, you choose one of the song. Okay, choose, discuss. That group, choose Count on Me. What about you? What about you? What about you? You choose Count on Me. Okay. Find the message, what the songwriter wants to explore it. You may use your laptop, Azahra, to find another resources. You may use one of the laptop. It's okay to find more information about the songwriter, about the message of the song, and what is the summarizing about the song. You have. Or you are not alone. You are not alone. Kevin, you are not alone because you have a partner here. You have to understand that what is the message of the song. You may search or you may use your resources to understand the message of the song. Pay attention. The two or three keywords. Two or three keywords. Yeah, it's okay, but you can search or you can take there. It's okay. Okay, now we are going to start. Who will be the first? Glenn's group, okay? Three of you come in the front.
Good morning, friends and teachers.
Good morning, Brandon.
Song Count on Me. So my name is Glenn. My name is Izat. And my name is Mila. When the song title is Count on Me, and the singer or the songwriter is Bruno Mars. And then the three keywords that have an emotional effect is Count on Me and Trouble. Okay, for the song theme is relationship. For the Count on Me song, why is it the song theme is a relationship? It's because it's emphasizing the theme of friendship, supporting each other, emotional closeness among friends. The summary of the song Count on Me by Bruno Mars is a heartwarming song with positive and supportive lyrics emphasizing the importance of honesty and support in friendship.
Support friendship. Any question about this group?
Any question or comment?
Any question or comment?
Listening to our presentation.
Okay, good applause to this group. Okay. I think the lyrics of from Bruno Mars really give message from us as a friend to understand how well you understand your friends. This song's lyric tell us about that. Emphasizing. Izzat said that the emphasizing. Yeah, the emphasize to emphasize. Yeah, the true friendship. Okay, this is the message. I think that's good answer this question. And some three words this answer this question.
Good morning, friends and teacher.
Good morning, Brandon.
Today we will present our information about "You Are Not Alone" by Michael Jackson. My name is Brandon.
My name is Fadlan.
My name is Rafa.
The song title that we choose is "You Are Not Alone." The singer or the songwriter is Michael Jackson. The keyword is alone. The use another day has gone. I am still alone. The second is far away. Though you are far away, I am here to say. And the third is here. For you are not alone. For I am here with you.
Okay, next is the relationship to something. The song "You Are Not Alone" by Michael Jackson is mainly about having support by someone's presence and finding comfort in relationships, especially during tough times or loneliness.
The summary of the song is the song words show loyalty, support, being there in relationship, sending a message that makes us feel safe and understood, knowing we're not alone.
Okay.
Thank you for listening. Any question or comment?
Any question or comment? So I think this message is really nice from.
Good morning, friends and teacher.
Good morning.
Today we are going to present about a song called Count on Me by Bruno Mars. I'm Freya.
And I'm Raisha. So the keywords that we found in the song is "Count on Me" and "Trouble." "Count on Me" and the part of the lyric called "If you ever find yourself stuck in the middle of the sea, I'll sail the world to find you." And on the "Trouble" part, "I can count on you like for 3, 2, and you'll be there. That's what friends are supposed to do." Thanks for listening to our presentation. Are there any questions or comments? Glenn?
What do you think about Bruno Mars? All. Maybe about the song. The Bruno Mars is a really talented singer, right?
Yeah.
What do you think, Raisa?
I think Bruno Mars is a talented singer with a heartwarming heart.
Okay. Or another title of the song.
I think the song name is "Locked Out of Heaven."
Okay, nice. And then Count on Me. What about Danes?
I think there was a song by Bruno Mars. I think it was called Treasure. Yeah, I like that one. Yeah. I feel like there was a song by Bruno Mars. I'm not sure though. I'm not sure.
Okay, any question more about this group? No, give applause to this group. Okay, thank you. The last group.
Teacher,
Good morning, Talita.
today we're gonna present a song called "I Have a Dream" from
West.
I have a dream from Westlife.
Okay. So we find 2 or 3 keywords that have an emotional effect. So the first word is dream. The using of the word is I have a dream, a song to sing. The second word is wonder. The using of the word is if you see the wonder of a fairy tale. It seems to be all about staying positive, having big dreams, and believing that they can come true.
Okay, any additional information? Zara? Yeah.
Thank you for listening to our presentation. Any questions or comments, yeah, Glenn?
Okay, Glenn, you have a question. Why you?
So for me personally, I grew up with the song of Westlife, so I like Westlife, and
Okay.
Westlife is really a talented band.
No? Give applause to this group. Okay. Thank you, group one. Live. I think many of the lyrics, especially talking about in the title, I Have a Dream, has a special message to support that as a person, you have to a dream. I think, give applause to us about our presentation. Okay. So I think you're really good job today to finish your, assignment today. But my notes for you that you have to focus that the diction that you have to give the information to us must be represent that what the lyric tell to us. And then make sure that the diction and the structure that you have to write in your recording sheet is suitable. Yeah, like in a structure in English. The last is make sure if you presenting something to someone, pay attention to the speaker, to the audience that you have to pay. I think this is our last of our lesson. Before we end up this lesson, don't forget to fill out our evaluation you can access in your Google Classroom, in your laptop. Yeah, maybe for next meeting, we can continue this. And then you click this link and then there is a question in this for our evaluation for next. I think time is up for today's lesson. I think we want to closing this by praying. Next meeting, we want to explore more about the meaning of the songs and we have to sing it. We have to sing it for the next meeting. We have to sing it, the song, for the next meeting. This is our lesson for the next meeting. Okay, I think we have to pray. Who wants, Rafa, Alciana, to close? Okay, thank you so much. All, see you for the next meeting. Thank you. Thank you. Bye, all.